Welcome back to the Alibaba Advanced Success Guide, and in this video we are going to talk about how experienced sellers find suppliers on Alibaba. Now, the mechanics of how to find suppliers is pretty straightforward on Alibaba. While you want to use the convenient interface, you want to reduce your risk by sorting for reliable suppliers. And in fact, this is something that Alibaba makes very easy to do with their easy to use interface. And as you can see here, we can just exercise our choices by using the interface provided to us. But there are also some not so obvious practices followed by seasoned sellers that we'll be exploring now in this video. Now, one of the things that is not so obvious, but one that you want to follow, you have to think about how you interact with the representative from the supplier that you're going to be dealing with. And you want to try to deal with those suppliers who get back to you right away. And this is an indication typically of how the relationship is going to go. Suppliers that are really anxious about being able to talk to you, anxious about getting back to you, those are going to be the suppliers that you want to deal with. You also want to get a feel for how the company does business based on their response. What is the response like? Is it written? Is it timely? Is it courteous? Is it indication of the fact that these are people who are in business or who have been in business? You always want to document pricing and notes about each supplier for each products as you are trying to narrow down the suppliers that you are going to be dealing with. The reason that you want to document pricing and notes for each supplier is because you're going to need to use them in terms of being able to negotiate pricing and terms once you have narrowed down your top 2 or top 3. Now, based on all of these rules, you should be working to eliminate as many suppliers as possible. And in fact, you are going to find that just by dealing with those who get back to you right away, as well as those who have a response that indicates that they're serious about doing business, you are going to eliminate a number of suppliers just based on your interaction with them from the start. And once you're down to 2 suppliers, you should then be looking to start purchasing samples from the company that you desire to deal with. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.